if you guys want to stay tuned and keep watching for this look, you guys, I cannot get over. Oh my god, this is honestly it can be kind of for a New Year's Eve as well, but this one, thanks to CandylOver89, this is the inspiration she gave me. I know my mannequin goes on the back, sorry guys, but yeah, she gave me this vibes of grayish and white. And honestly, I has hesitated to do this look so many times because I have never, let me say this, repeat this, this is my first time, like I feel like this is my first time, but so many times that I tried it, guys, my eyes were never the same. And look at my progress. Oh my gosh, I literally feel like if it was literally the first time. So I'm gonna keep doing more looks like this. I actually like how this looks, how this came out. Let me get a little bit closer. But wow, you guys, I did not thought I was gonna actually be able to do this look, because I was just like, oh my gosh, if it doesn't come out, I'm just gonna, you know, take everything off and redo it. But wow, you guys, one more thing, this one I just paired up just because of the sake of the video. Ooh, we forgetting our beanie. Oh my gosh, girl, I also made a beanie especially for this video. It looks like this, white with silver. Honey, yes. Ooh, girl. Okay, so this is how it looks with the beanie. It looks extremely amazing. Ready. The thing I like about the beanies, you can actually pull the hair kind of like that, and that way it won't cover your eyes. It actually shows every single little detail on your face that needs to be shown. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this look, guys. I know I'm talking way too much, but it's just, you guys don't know the feeling I have to know that I was able to do this look. Like, oh my gosh, I was so scared. I was like, oh my gosh, if one comes out higher than the other one, I'm just like, but it actually came out super bomb, guys. We're gonna jump onto the video, guys. Oh, she look good. Oh my god, I almost poked my eye. Okay, guys, so that is it. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned all the way through, okay? So you guys can see this bomb look in case if you guys want to wear it. Hello, you guys. So I already started priming my eyes with ColourPop, and I also went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, so that way it won't wait too long of this video, because we know how sometimes it can be long. I had this already set on my eyelids for a little bit, so I had to, of course, use a beauty blender. As for my eyes, I'm going to use Cara Beauty, and I'm going to use, of course, the white shades under my brow, which is this one right here. Now, quickly, we're going to jump to my Makeup Revolution, and we're going to use all the shades in gray for this look, which is all this row right here. I'm going to go with the lightest shade to kind of do as transition shade. Now I'm gonna go with this second grayish just to kind of darken up a little bit the cut crease, and then we're gonna work our way up to make it a little bit darker as well. Now I'm gonna use this third shade just to concentrate it in the deeper cut crease, because we do wanna make that very defined and very dark. And I also want to say thank you so much, CandylOver89. Thank you so much. You don't know how much this means to me, having to use your music, girl. Like, I love your voice. Like, you have a voice of an angel. When I heard it, I was like, oh my gosh, this girl needs to be get to know more, like to be able to come out in the VMAs and stuff like that. But thank you so much, girl. This video was especially for that, and hopefully you like this one too. Now for here, I'm just switching up my brush so that way I can get that harsh line on the gray. I mean, it looks good, but we always want to make it look from the fading effect to dark. Now here I'm getting a more defined brush just to get that of the dark gray and a little bit of that dark black to just concentrate on the cut crease again. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be stretching the cut crease so that way it can make it more sharp and give you a defined look. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to use this fluffier brush just to blend the cut crease because I know it's looking a little bit harsh. So you want to make sure you blend that part so it's going to look, making it into a fading effect. And now to cut my cut crease, I'm going to use this concealer from e.l.f. Is the second shade from the lightest one, not the third one, but the second. Now that we're done cutting the cut crease, I'm gonna go ahead with the whitest shade from the palette that I showed you guys earlier, and I'm just gonna set it under the lid. This step is also optional if you guys want to do this. I just like to do this just because it gives it a more blending effect instead of having a harsh line. So if you guys made it like right off the bat, then you don't need to, you can just skip the step. Now I'm gonna be using Beauty Creations from the palette that I had showed you guys in my previous videos, and I'm gonna be throwing this gray shade under my lids. Now on this step, you're gonna be super careful, even though you have a glitter, to make sure that it doesn't go above the cut crease, and also that just be careful that it doesn't go inside your eyes, because it just kind of stings a little bit, so it kind of bugs you. So you're just gonna stretch this glitter all the way to the cut crease. And as you guys can see, this is a huge difference once you get a white bead to get leftover of the excess from the glitter and stuff like that. We're gonna put our jewels and making sure it's gonna sparkle for this bomb video, guys. I'm also gonna repeat these steps under my waterline, guys. We're gonna use my Rimmel foundation, and of course use the brush. Also guys, if you guys want to hear her full version on Nochebuena, she's gonna go by CandylOver89. That's her YouTube channel and her Instagram, and also her Facebook. She is a makeup artist and also an amazing singer, guys. So if you guys want to hear more about her music, go ahead and follow and subscribe to her channel. She goes one more time as CandylOver89. This highlighter, I got it off years ago, and ever since I started using it, today was my first day, and oh my god, it looked beautiful. Now we're just gonna top off with the setting sprays from Makeup Obsession, and to make sure it's gonna be super dry, I'm gonna use this fan. I also made it especially for this video, so you guys can see it has to be very glamorous, white and gray with silver, and yes, it doesn't really hold because of the jewels. From Wet n Wild, I'm using this gray shade, and I'm just gonna pretty much put all over my lips. And this next glitter, guys, you guys need to get your hands on this. The reason why is because it actually lasts a long time. I was so shocked how long it lasts. So if you guys haven't got this one, get the Rimmel in the clear shade. This is another technique I started using, guys. You know how sometimes we wear the wigs and it looks kind of frizzy, so I use this step every time I wear my wigs. Well, actually I started using it, and I actually like it so far. It lasts a little bit longer, so it doesn't give me that frizz, and it looks super beautiful, guys. Oh my god, you guys, I feel like literally a Mexican Barbie doll. This hair I haven't worn in so many years. The reason why is because I was hesitating, and now that I trimmed it and I actually did the part, because this was bugging me, and oh my god, it stands out like so beautifully with this look. It looks super bomb, guys. So now I'm going to be bringing this outfit to you guys. Everything I got, well, not everything. This coat, I got it out from Target. This shirt, I got it out from Ross. And the pants, I got it from a PR that I got a while ago. So this combination looks pretty good, guys. Now if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can use this other one. I got this coat off from Ross, for like $12, and it actually stands out. If you're not too fan of a white, you can put some red. Also, this is if you want to go extremely all white Christmas, as same as the first one. This one is a long sleeve. This shirt is an oversized. I got it in an extra large to make sure it fits super big. This shirt, I got it off from Ross, and everything else, you guys know. The pants, where I got it. The beanie, of course, is made by me. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. See you till the next one. Bye, loves.